At CES 2018 in Las Vegas, we're about to get a first look at Dell's new line of Latitude devices. Let's head directly to the show floor to learn all about them.
We have a device that's detachable, we have a device that's...
Wow, it's noisy down there. How about I just tell you about them right here instead? Dell says its Latitude portfolio is designed for the mobile workforce. For 2018, it has a refreshed lineup of notebooks and 2-in-1s. They're packed with the new 8th Gen Intel Core processors and vPro. These devices are trying to offer easy management for the IT departments and great performance for the end user.
Commercial customers really care about two things. One is the IT department has a lot of needs, so they care about security, they care about management, they care about total cost of ownership and cost. And then the actual users, you and me, doing our jobs, they care about durability, they care about how easy it is to use the product. More and more they care about how small the product is, if they're traveling a lot, how light it is.
There's a lot of choice in the Latitude line when it comes to form factors. The more traditional laptops are here, both in the 7000 and 5000 series. New to the 7490 notebook is a Wi-Fi antenna designed to improve the connected range. The new display is also made to reduce power consumption by half, resulting in up to 22 hours of battery life. This device features a really thin bezel around the 13-inch display. It's Dell's smallest and lightest commercial laptop ever. The 5000 series notebook is more of a desktop replacement. It offers advanced IT management functions and multiple security add-ons, such as a smart card reader. Then we have the 2-in-1 devices, so called because they offer both a laptop experience and a tablet experience with Windows 10. They do this in different ways. The Latitude 7390 has a hinge that swivels the screen right behind the keyboard. The 5290 is a detachable screen. It also has a kickstand that can automatically deploy when you press back on the display. A big part of using laptops in the office is docking. That is, using a device to quickly connect your laptop or a second monitor and a host of other peripherals. Dell's focus for the docking experience with this Latitude line has been to make it as easy and flexible as possible.
So we think about our customers in what we call personas. So some of them are called corridor warriors. They move from their desk, the meeting room, to other places. And so we build an ecosystem around that. That could be a docking station at their desk with 2 monitors. The reason we encourage 2 monitors, there's proven studies that says you can be 18% more productive by having 2 monitors. You have 1 monitor, but maybe you're building that presentation on PowerPoint, or you're looking at that Excel spreadsheet with your numbers, and on the other monitor you have your daily life. You're scanning email, you're looking at Twitter, you're looking at Facebook, all of the applications of social things that we need today. But having both of them there means you don't have to toggle between different applications.
Using Intel's Y-Gate technology, Dell's devices don't require a cable to connect a second monitor. Just place it on the dock and away you go. The Latitude devices also feature Express Charge. They can fully charge the battery in just 1 hour of being docked, even while you're working. Dell's Latitude pricing is now available globally. Here's a rundown on the prices in US dollars. The Latitude 7490 notebook starts at $1,049. The Latitude 7390 2-in-1 device starts at $1,149. Latitude 5490 notebook starts at $779. The Latitude 5290 2-in-1 starts at $899. That's a wrap from CES 2018 in Las Vegas. Subscribe to this channel for more CES videos. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson.